I'm going to show you how you can make $100 every single day using just sending emails. Check this out. I'm going to show you how to do this. This is something you can do for free. This is something that works in any different country around the world, and you can do this no matter what age you are. This is easy, people. Check this trick out. It's so amazingly simple. You're going to love it. Okay, so let's come down to my computer right here, and I'm going to show you how this little trick works. Now, I'm going to show you two ways you can actually use this trick. I'm figuring you don't want to do product support. You don't want to have to sign legal agreements. You don't want to have to do any sales, and you don't want to spend any money on any ads or any software, any of that stuff. And don't worry, this is everything I'm going to show you is completely free. You don't need to buy any products. You don't need to, do any drop shipping or sales or any of that stuff. This is something you can do very simply from the computer. Now, for my friends in Africa and in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and North Korea, you won't be able to use the main site I'm going to talk about, but you will be able to use this company called Digistore24. So you can apply for this affiliate network and sign up to get links to different affiliate products there. But I'm not going to talk about this for the rest of the time. You can just Google this site. I'm going to go into ClickBank because this is the main program we're going to be talking about. This is an affiliate network. It's ClickBank, not QuickBank, but you can make QuickBank. And you're going to create an account right there, okay? So just big arrow, go create account. And once you've created an account, okay, now once you've signed up for ClickBank, you will come to a screen that looks sort of like this. Now, what you'll do is you'll actually go up here to the marketplace, okay, right there, and click that button. You can type in my name, CRESTANI, and search for my product, and it will show up right like this. Or you can actually just click the search button, and it'll show you all of the products that you can sell within ClickBank and make money from. So you see, you can make $33 selling this product. You can make $800 selling this product. You can make $57 selling this product. We're going to go to page 2 right here, and we're going to select my product right here, which is Super Affiliate System. And you're going to want to click this page, the affiliate page. See this? The affiliate page right here. Okay? Now, once you are on my affiliate page, this is a page that explains to you about how much money you'll make selling my product, and you have a lot of different stuff for emails and ads and just a lot of different kind of exclamations or explanations for different types of affiliate marketers that work with me. But we're not going to deal with any of that. What you're going to do is you're going to go right at the top, right up here, okay? This area right here. And you're going to enter in your ClickBank ID that you use, which is your account username right there. So let's say your ClickBank ID was ZZZZZ. You click update, and what you'll be given is you'll be given an affiliate link right there, and it will say, and you'll want to click this section right here, which says promote your link through social media and email right there. Now up will pop a screen where you can log in, you can connect with Facebook or Google, it doesn't matter, or you could enter in a name and an email. Now once you've entered in your name and your email, it will show you this screen which says share your link with everyone you can. And remember, the more you share your link, the more commissions you make. Now you can totally share your link on all of these platforms if you want, but we're worried about one thing, which is this one right here, sharing your link via email. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that button, and you are going to go right here where it says import contacts, okay, right there. So once you click import contacts, it'll show you Gmail or Yahoo. Now if you use either of these two service providers, you can just simply select it, and it will import all of your contacts for you. You don't have to do any copying and pasting. If you don't have Gmail or Yahoo for email, what you'll do is you get every single email address that you have, okay? Every single email address in your contacts list or people you've emailed or any email address you can come across, and you're going to enter it in here. So you're going to say, buddy guy at, you know, AOL.com, and then you'll put a comma, and then you'll say, you know, like Willie at gmail.com, and whoever else, and you'll just keep going onwards and onwards. You don't need to enter in anything in the custom message area. And what this is going to do is this will send an email for you, so you can start getting clicks to your affiliate link. Now, how you can verify that you are getting clicks on your affiliate link is you'll want to go back to ClickBank. You'll want to go back to ClickBank after you've posted your link and go to this tab which says reporting, okay? And it should put you under the analytics tab right there. And, you know, wait a day or so, okay? You want to wait a day or at least 12 hours to actually check this, but you should start seeing some clicks, or what ClickBank calls it, hops, on your link. And this is one of my affiliate accounts I'm logged into where I did this, and you can see 266 clicks, and as you can see, I have 10 sales right here, and I made $2,200 with a $591 recurring using this method. So it's very easy to do, very fast. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty easy. Now, if that seemed like, whoa, that's too easy, try it out. Try it out and check, and go into ClickBank and check to see if you're getting hops, if you're getting order form impressions, and if you're getting sales. Now, roughly 1 in 10 hops becomes an order form impression, and roughly 1 in 10 order form impressions become a sale. So you want to get at least 100 clicks before you would expect a sale, but that's a cool $500. So make sure, try to send this out to at least 100 people, because if you send this out to at least 100 people, you should get at least 1 sale using this method. But try it out, have fun, and if you got excited, if you're like type in email money in the comments below, and if you like this and you want to see more methods of how you can make money every day online, that's all I do right here, people. Folks. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. And if you want to go deeper in affiliate marketing and see what I do to make over $10,000 a day, maybe you saw some of my numbers, maybe you see some of the stacks lying around, but that's all affiliate marketing money. You got to join the Money Club wherever it is. I don't know. I'm just kind of pointing to random places. But I think it's next to the subscribe button. Click Join the Money Club, and it's $50 a month, and you will get access to a large amount of trainings from me, as well as you'll be able to talk to me 2 times a month on live streams, which I think the dates are set in there, but it'll be pretty exciting, and I look forward to talking with you soon in the next video. And as always, folks, please drop out of school, quit your job, take back control of your life, turn off the notifications on your phone so that don't allow yourself to be used by social media anymore, and start using the internet and these tools like email and social media as ways to earn you money and earn you freedom. We are entering the greatest era of time because you can go back to working for yourself. There's no reason to get a job. There's so many ways to earn a living for yourself. You can do this, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon. Let's get this. I'll see you in the comments. Have a good one.